My name is Austin Crossley. I'm from New York. Having a TEFL certification is a way to enable traveling for long periods of time, where I can go and live in another country and work abroad and have a very good job while I travel. And I also have a deep-rooted love for teaching, so getting a TEFL certification was kind of a win-win situation for me because I can teach and I can travel, and those are two very important boxes that I needed to tick. I really enjoyed just like studying abroad, being able to live my own in another country, and just being able to immerse myself in the culture and take in the sights. I think that that's really made this whole experience a lot better. I just discovered very quickly that I really enjoy teaching people. I love the feeling when somebody finally gets something, the excitement on their face, the connection that you build with your students. I think that it helps the students grow and it helps me grow as well, so it's just a mutually beneficial experience. Well, the TEFL course was a challenge in a very good way. It definitely made me leave my comfort zone a lot. It's pushed me in a way to grow. Being in another country and also taking a course that is just, it's like a lot of work. It's something to prove your dedication, but in like a very, very good way. And it's really pushed me to expand my boundaries and my horizons so that I can just grow as an individual and feel a sense of accomplishments once I finally complete the course. I would like to travel and just spend a considerable amount of time abroad, just kind of learning the local languages, immersing myself in the cultures, getting to know the people. I think that there's just a lot of growth potential for that. So I want to travel abroad and just start working as soon as possible so that I can really put this TEFL certification to use. Absolutely, I highly recommend Maximo Nivel. It's a very, very good course. I've learned so much, and I now feel very, very confident going into a classroom and teaching English, where before I would have had no idea what I was doing. So I highly recommend Maximo Nivel.